Hey you guys, my family came home for the weekend and we decided to make a seafood pasta. So initially we started off getting all our ingredients together. We then took some fresh garlic cloves and put some salt and pepper and olive oil, popped that in the oven and let it do its thing. This is the crab meat that we were using to make the crab cake balls. We use the king crab that's going to go on the cheesy garlic bread. This is the seafood that's going inside the pasta. So what we do with our crab cake balls is we use cornbread. So this is all the ingredients mixed together in a pot. You can put it in a bowl however you want to do it, but that's what we use that day. So now we're getting our pan nice and buttered so that all the seafood can just be sauteed in it. That's going to go inside the pasta. And then we use fettuccine pasta, and these are the crab cake balls before they get popped and fried, okay? And so my sister's making the sauce. She likes to thicken it up. We like our food saucy, so it's gonna be very wet. And this is us assembling the garlic bread. This is the mozzarella cheese and the king crab, and then the little glitter parsley on top. So these are the balls frying down, and they came out golden brown, somewhat a little dark, but that's fine. They were delish. Here's the final result on the bread once it came out the oven. Oh my God, just admire that. And then here's the actual plate, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, something different from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I love you. Bye. Mwah.